Does the TrapEAZE technique require acupuncture? This is a question that we commonly hear, so it was important for me to address it and clarify its answer. Because the TrapEAZE technique founder is an acupuncture physician, it's extremely common for most people to assume that acupuncture and acupuncture points are both involved with the TrapEAZE technique. However, you should be aware that Dr. Justin never develops any treatments that require invasive procedures with acupuncture or needles. In the case of the first treatment that he invented, his patented bladder re-expansion technique that's been reviewed by Harvard, it also has nothing to do with acupuncture, acupuncture points, the insertion of acupuncture needles, or diagnosis with Chinese medicine. Likewise, with the TrapEAZE technique, it's exactly the same, where it's also non-invasive and doesn't rely on acupuncture, acupuncture points, insertion of acupuncture needles, or diagnosis with Chinese medicine. This being the case for those acupuncture physicians who want to provide the very best care for their patients, then they should feel relieved. And the reason why is because Dr. Justin has found in his own clinical practice going back to 2003 that acupuncture is largely ineffective at rectifying chronic upper back pain. What he has seen is that it definitely is effective at temporarily alleviating patients' nagging pain, where relief lasts 24 hours at best. But, when it comes to long-term pain relief, it's impossible for acupuncture to provide the same type of results that the TrapEAZE technique can. If you're curious to find out why this is the case, Dr. Justin gets very specific about it on the second day of his free upper back pain specialty workshop that he offers free to licensed healthcare practitioners. As part of attending, you'll receive a comprehensive article that he wrote that has a very clear graphic which will show you exactly why this is the case. To attend our next free upper back pain workshop, you can register by signing up at the top of our website, www.trapeazetechnique.com.